You guys can make a lot of extra money per month with minimal effort. I did tons of research for many hours and I put together the laziest side hustles that you guys can do. And the beauty of these lazy side hustles is that literally you guys can do all of them at once if you wanted to. They're literally that lazy. And I'm not just sharing side hustles to share side hustles. These are genuinely the laziest ways you guys can make money. And actually some of these I do myself. Currently still am doing some myself. And in this video, you guys are going to learn different side hustles that you can do with minimal effort and how you can start doing that side hustle. So number one is renting out a spare room or a finished basement. So this one is very minimal effort. If you guys do have like an extra space that you guys aren't using, then most definitely you guys can be listing this on Facebook Marketplace. There's other apps and places that you guys can list a room for rent or a finished basement for rent. You guys can actually make a lot of extra money per month for this one. Now, I'm not saying let anybody into your home. Of course, you're going to have to do background checks, which there's apps for that, and you're not going to have to like do credit checks or anything. The apps do it all for you, and you guys can just do research on what works for your situation. But like I said, I'm not just saying let anybody into your house. Of course, you're going to do your background checks, make sure that the people that's coming into your home are actually good people, or you might just be like you only want one person in there. That's totally fine. I'm just saying open your house to the possibility of making lazy money. How do you start this one? Literally just clean out the space that you want to go ahead and rent out. Go on different advertising sites that you can advertise a room for rent, basement for rent, and y'all are good to go. Number two is affiliate marketing, which is one that I do. It's actually not hard at all. You're basically showing a product that you're already using anyways. But say I wanted to link this mic, I can go link it from my Amazon affiliate links, and I will get paid a commission for the people that go to that link and buy through the link. This is like such a lazy way. Literally all I have to do is add a link to my description, or if you guys are like on Instagram or TikTok or something like that, you're like a content creator, affiliate links is like such a good thing. And if you're not a content creator, you guys can start content creation, and this can be an easy way for you to go ahead and make lazy money. But you guys can do affiliate marketing through any of the things that you love or that you already use, such as Shopify, clothing brands, Amazon. Everybody shops on Amazon, almost everybody. But you guys can literally use it. If you know you like to shop on Shein a lot, things like that, you guys can figure out how to become an affiliate and get paid for commissions, especially if you're posting videos and you're a fashion blogger or something like that. Definitely add this one to the list. So how to start this one? Go on websites that you guys use very often, like I did. I use Shopify. I'm a Shopify developer and I build people's websites and things like that. And I'm always talking about Shopify on YouTube and stuff like that. So I went on Shopify.com and I looked and see if they had an affiliate program, and they actually did. Equid has an affiliate program. A lot of places have affiliate programs. You have to go look for it. So if you love something, go just look and see if they have an affiliate program. You guys actually make some really good money. Lazy good money through affiliate marketing. Number three, I love this one. So you guys might be like, I don't love it. You can rent out your car or rent out an extra car. So if you're one person who just has a car that you don't drive, like it's literally just sitting there in the garage or just sitting there outside, you guys can go on different apps such as like Turo. That's the only one I can think of off the top of my head, but you guys can literally go on different car rental apps and list your car. The person will be paying for the insurance, so you don't have to worry about that. Like literally imagine like your car is insured, you're getting like extra cash per month, and you don't have to do anything except like list your car that one time. And yeah, y'all can figure it out. But that's such a good way to make lazy money, because you're literally just like going about your daily life. The car was sitting there anyways. Now somebody's enjoying it for their vacation. And they do background checks and stuff like that. It's not like you're just gonna be giving your car to anybody. But also, I wouldn't really do this if I really care about a car. I would just do this if I had an extra car sitting around to make some extra money. But how to start this one? Pretty simple. Just go on Turo or other car rental apps and just list your car for rent, and yeah, go about your day. Number four, I don't really hear many people talk about this. I actually figured this one out on my own. Listen, so you guys can advertise on your car, and you're probably like, why the heck would I do that? Listen, you can make like an extra $400, $500 per month by putting this like little, it's like this, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like this little like digital thing you can put on top of your car, especially if you're like a rideshare driver, you do something like that for work, like Uber, Lyft, or you just drive a lot. If you're one of those people who drive a lot, this is such a good one for you, because I think they pay more the more that they see you drive. But you guys can put that on top of your car, and it's not like it's something that's going to damage your car. and the installation is free. There's different places you guys can go on. I've heard of Carvatize before, where you guys can get your whole car wrapped and they take the wrap off when you're done. Like some people, there's one called Sticker. You just get like a sticker and you put it on the back of your windshield or something, and there's one that you can just put on the side of your car. Like, it depends on the campaigns that they have going on. But if you guys just like drive around, say you have like an older car that you really don't care about, bro, get that extra $500 per month, y'all. Why not? So how to start? Just go on Carvatize or Sticker or all the other ones. There's literally so many. I see this happen a lot in Atlanta. But yeah, you guys can just go on there, sign up for advertising on your car. You might end up on a wait list because a lot of people actually do this. You guys will see like regular cars with like the thing on top. You probably don't pay attention to it, but next time you go driving, especially in like busy cities like Atlanta, Chicago, New York, see if you can spot it. I see it a lot in Atlanta. A lot of people do it here because a lot of people drive for a living here. So this is like such a lazy way to make extra money because you're driving anyways and you don't have to do anything. You're literally doing nothing. You don't even have to install it on your car. The people do it for you. So just remember that. Number 5 is one that I do. It's selling digital products. And boy, is it a lazy way to make money. You make a digital product one time, y'all, and you can sell it for the next maybe 5 or 10 years, because if like things aren't changing in whatever you were talking about in your digital product. But this is such a good way to make lazy money. We're talking about, and that's why I say you guys can do every single one of these at once if you're able to. Like if you have an extra car, so you have an extra room, you guys can do all of these at once because it's not taking you a lot of time to do any of them, especially the digital product one, bro. You literally can make a digital product in 10 hours and make a really good one in 10 hours. And then just all you have to do is really like learn how to market that digital product. But once you learn how to market it, bro, I think it's just making you money. Okay, it's so easy. How to start this one? Pretty simple. If you guys have a skill or you're knowledgeable about something, or say you just like writing and you have something like really good to write, like to teach someone, you know, usually it's education based, it's an ebook, people are trying to learn something. So if you have a skill that you can like teach people, even if it's like how to crochet a handbag, you can make an ebook on that if you wanted to, and make it one time. And you just keep selling it. It's so simple. You guys could even make like an online course. You guys could sell templates that you make. There's so many people out here buying digital products, y'all. Y'all don't want to miss out on the train. Go ahead and make that digital product and start selling. And I want to say, do I have a video? I have a video on digital product ideas, but I'm going to do more videos on digital products because like I've been lacking on those videos, but I know people like them. So definitely going to be making more of those. Number 6 is another one that I do, and that is starting a YouTube channel. This one is like one I really highly recommend. And you guys might be like, hold on now, how is this a lazy side hustle? Well, let me tell you, you're literally in the comfort of your home. All you need to do is film 3 10-minute videos in one sitting, 4 10-minute videos in one sitting. That means that's like an hour. Literally, guys, if you know what you're talking about, these videos will be a breeze for you. So easy. You guys can post consistently 4 times a month. Look, you just did 4 videos in one day. They don't have to be hour-long videos, 10-minute videos, especially just starting out. That's 4 times a month. That's consistent. Bro, think about it. That's one day out of your whole month. How lazy is that? And then when you get monetized, bro, you're going to be making money off of all those old videos that you made. Plus the new ones. And guys, I just got monetized, thank goodness. So now I'm like super motivated to make more videos. But like, just think about it, bro. I have a baby. I do so much. I'm a business owner. I package orders. I'm a website developer. I do people's logos. I mentor people. And y'all, I just do so much. And like I said, I have a baby. She's under 1 year old. So it's not easy. Like literally, I film my videos like I'm doing right now while she's taking her 1 hour nap. And I have to film a few videos. And if I'm able to do it, you're able to do it. This is such a lazy way to make money. So how do you start this one? Create a YouTube channel, super simple. Go ahead and make 4 videos. Talk about things that you obviously are very skilled about, you know about. You can teach people, educate people, or maybe you just want to start vlogging, even though that's going to take more work. It's not really as lazy if you're vlogging, but some people find vlogging easier because I guess they don't have a skill. But if you have a skill, something that you know and you can talk about, bro, it'll be a breeze for you, super easy for you. But I do recommend go ahead and getting 4 videos just ready to go. So you're already a month ahead. You're already a month ahead. You guys can schedule these things. I never like actually upload my things on time. I schedule all of my YouTube videos so they all just go live, and you know, the work gets done. It's finished. Like once you schedule it to be uploaded, it's so easy from there. But yeah, start the posting. This one's not like a get rich quick scheme. Obviously, like it takes some times, but this one is extremely rewarding. Out of all on the list that I just gave you, this one is like, this one can even one day become a full-time job for you. So just remember this one. Number 7 is to sell that stuff that you just have sitting around the house. You already know that you have so many extra clothes, so many extra shoes, things that you just don't even use, maybe even like house decor items, just things you have like just stashed away in a closet, and they could be sold for money. Like you have money literally sitting around the house. Why the heck would you even do that? You guys can literally go on like Poshmark, or you guys can go on like OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace, and you guys can ship things out. You don't even have to even leave your house if you don't want to. You know, USPS can come to your doorstep, right? Or UPS, and they can pick up your packages. So talk about a lazy way to make money. You probably have so much around your house that you don't even know, and you guys can literally just ship these things out, sell them, and yeah, lazy money. And this is a side hustle that I actually started with. Before I started my business, I used to do this. I used to just like find things that I had, because I have so much like extra shoes and clothes and stuff that I don't really wear. So I would just like go and I'm like, I don't need these. So I would just start like shipping things out. And once I got into that groove, it really inspired me to actually start a business. And I started a whole e-commerce business, 6-figure business, guys. And I'm just so happy that I did that. Because like, I don't know, something about like packaging things up, shipping them out, it just felt so good. But I'm so glad you guys watched the video. If you guys watched the whole video, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.